up and ready to go. Last full day in Disney. Where's the... Christ. It's a nice sunny day. And then gotta ship these out. So me and my two brothers are gonna bring our lightsabers to the same place that we got them. Well, to the same general area. Oh. But it's not as crisp or thick. Wait, you gonna run?
Dad told me to run all the way over here and run back.
Ah.
Hold. One moment, please. We'd like to know who's in charge here.
Switch this out, get that one. And I'll just grab this one. I want to solo.
So empty out those baskets.
Thank you. Ah, went too much. Hey, go pop one wheelie. Pop a wheelie. It's red.
Aww.
Wow, let's see.
It's red.
If you're wondering why we have so many red type of crystals, because there is a 1 in 100 chance of getting. Did you give me a count? Black.
I got red. Sadly.
Fudge.
Looks like a Jolly Rancher.
I'm sorry, sir.
What are you doing with that? Sending data to the Resistance?
I wouldn't do that. Our day just got worse. Thanks for that.
Yeah, I find it odd that out of the entire time that we were at the park, we haven't bothered to come to this side of the park. There's an X-Wing right there. There's another ship right there. But in a little bit, I don't know what time our stuff is, but pretty soon we're gonna go do... What time is it? 3:05? No, but what time is our stuff? Oh, that's almost 3. Not bad. Rise of the Resistance. I'll try to record that. Let's see if I can.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Hurrah.
You're the First Order resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want.
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Where's Lieutenant? I need eyes on back.
I got told twice. Actually, a little bit earlier was my second time. I had to get told to lower my tripod. Fucking well. Wow, this Marco is mean. It's a quick snack. I don't even know what we're gonna have for dinner or lunch. Yep. How's it good? How's it? Cheers? It's another day of questioning whether or not I have enough clips. Well, enough clips for me to feel comfortable. But it's also due to the fact I'm still getting used to shoving a camera in my own face, as well as, dude, there's so many freaking people. As much as it is true I won't see them again, I don't know, I still gotta get over that hump of not caring. They'll look at you and pretty much be like, oh, this guy's vlogging. And then they'll go on. I gotta get used to just doing it. Nope, don't even care about it. But another aspect of it is pretty much, I don't know, I'd rather be more casual about it than actually trying to not put on a character, but more like, I hate the idea of trying too hard or too much. This time it's just us three. Barely even got to take a nap, but it's whatever. Last full day, might as well make the most of it. I'm gonna hit Disneyland Park first, do fishing. I don't even know what the hell we're gonna do first. Probably Pirates of the Caribbean. After that, Star Tours. Then hopefully catch California Adventure and then do Goofy Sky School. And so it begins. Where are we off to first? The arcade, because all the fucking rides keep changing the lightning lane times. That is the most irritating thing I've ever seen in my life. Go try to see Doctor Strange, but I don't know. It says park atmosphere, so I'm not too sure how that'll be. It could just be like a pop-in thing for Doctor Strange, or it might be a full-blown show. I'm not too sure though.
Fine, we got time for one game.
Yes, ta-da! Yes, thank you.
You ever tried shawarma? Alright, last minute shopping finally done. Just got back from the Star Wars trading post. Got his blanket. And then
So I don't freeze my butt off on the plane.
yeah, that's true. And then he has his hat. Isaac has his Donald Duck hat. His Wizard Mickey and what else did you get? Hoodie, yeah? Yeah. Okay. We have 5 hours until we leave the hotel. Good trip.
My brother's taking a shower. My grandma's sleeping.
Awesome.
11:49. Catch you in about 2 hours. going down the hallway for the last time. It is, I don't have my watch on, but it's like 3:20. Ain't no sun out. Oddly enough, not even a week after I arrive home, I'm gonna be going to San Diego.
Airlines flight number 1307. We are on our way to Seattle. We're going to people get on board so you can please step into your row while others line to the path. It is evacuation legal.
We're in the November terminal now. We're gonna move over to Delta terminal. Terminal. That's great.
One here for D and C gates.
I'm gonna be stuck between people, but I won't be recording anything. I'll see you back in Maui. Oh, it's good to be back home. I can take off this freaking jacket.